Genu Patamawa Kechilamokang. We pray to the one who dreams us into being. Genu Patamawa Kechilamokang. We pray to the one who dreams us into being. Kinu Kichium Pisun, Mascaneso, Lenape Wapsikan. We make strong medicine today with our words. Al Sutama Gishik Manitou. We speak as one today with great mystery. Kichi Wanishik. We offer great thanks. Kinu Mechelendamen. We feel sorry. Lue Umpisun Nkukaki. The way we have harmed the earth. Wanishik West. We thank the animals. Nyawa Kat, the four-legged. Mak Atun Tamakwa Takwako. Squall and Honey. The bear, the deer, the beaver, the turtle, and the frog. Nishakat Awe La Shosh. The two-leggeds, the birds. Lenuk Gokus Talaka. Mitgalane Ok Ahas. The eagle, the owl, the crane, the hawk, and the crow. Kutash Kak Wok Muwaka Kokosh. The six-leggeds and the no-leggeds, the snakes. Wanishik Namesok. And thank you for the fish. Kishile Mohikanito, who run in the river that flows both ways. Kimun Yiktuk, that we see here. Wanishik Numahomisk Aknokomisk Wabanoe. We give thanks to the grandmothers and grandfathers of the East. Wanishik Numahomis Aknokomis Sikwe Wewunk. We give thanks to the grandmothers and grandfathers of the South. Wanishik Numahomis Aknokomis Kwakwa. We give thanks to the grandmothers and grandfathers of the West. Wanishik Numahomis Aknokomis Luwunewunk. We give thanks to the grandmothers and grandfathers of the North. Wanishik Wabe Mak Wapalane Stikwe. We give thanks to the white bear of the north and to the bald eagle of the south. Wanishik Gunamok Sakwalinjeo Kwal West Wop Mahikan. We thank the otter, the squirrel, the fox, and the wolf. Wanishik Hwa Squeen. And we thank the corn. Lenape Wikshate, the Indian tobacco. Lenape Wikshate. Wanishik Wakeo Soklan Wokowan. We give thanks for the moonlight, the rain, and the snow. Ginu Patamawa, Ewa Lendam, Machilendam, Nolali Hook, Kwango Melowe. We pray today for peace, for love, for goodness, and for friendship. Inu Patao Wunji Alkun. We pray for this land, our homeland in the east. We guum Waping, Muwapinka Sak Leni Minisink, the home of the Wappingers and the Munsee. We guum Mesingwe Okpakwaji Jlinushk, the home of the little ones, the forest people, the wood spirits. Wanishik. Thank you all. Wanishik. Thank you.
Well, that was my meditation video, the Lenape Prayer of Thanksgiving. You can find that text in Red Headband, my poetry book, and that's why I'm wearing the red headband. So thank you very much.